Yeah. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey. Now, but that dance I'm doing there, they call it Egunni, food dance. Now, that dance when you do, when you know that your mother's jollof rice is smoking ready. So yes, we are going to be eating Nigerian party jollof rice. Yeah. Let me show you. It is smoking hot. So I like, whenever I eat my jollof rice, I like to eat with a little bit of salad, coleslaw, and all the goodness. And here I have fried chicken. So guys, I am craving jollof rice, not even just jollof rice, like proper tasty party jollof rice, like with enough of curry, thyme. You get what I'm saying? The one that when they put in front of you, you can smell it, you know, you can perceive the jollof rice. That is this one. I remember when I was small, sometimes when we're going to school, I say, mommy, Mabiko, say jollof rice. That means, mommy, please cook jollof rice. And then she will promise, don't worry, go to school. Today when you come back, I will cook jollof rice. Don't mind that woman, she's telling a lie. She will cook, she will cook Yabu jollof rice. Yabu jollof means native jollof rice with palm oil, dry fish, crayfish. That one, jollof rice, ayabu, understand? But funny enough, now that I'm older, I love the native jollof rice. But those days when my mother cook it, we'll be like, me and my brothers will be, when we come home and then she say, yeah, I made jollof rice. I mean, when she then give it to us, we're like, this is not this is not jollof rice. This is rice Igbo. Rice Igbo, yabu na mani Igbo. And she will tell us, you guys should be grateful that I made jollof rice. Anywho, this jollof rice, yeah, you know where you eat it in Nigeria. Those days. Ebob na ako pokorom, na wedding, na burial, that is where you be smelling it. This is traditional marriage jollof rice or Christmas jollof rice. That is the time you get this kind of jollof rice. Anywho, my people, let's dive inside this jollof rice because this smell is entering my nose and I can't help it anymore. So I'm going to put my jollof rice in the plate. And I have turkey gizzard. I don't cook anything sometimes, but I don't really cook anything without turkey gizzard because in my house we don't really eat too much of red meat. We eat it every now and then. So turkey gizzard, we use it to replace red meat, But sometimes we eat red meat, but we eat more of chicken, turkey, than red meat. Anywho, that is my party jollof rice in apple on apple smoke. And let me put my salad. I bought this salad at work today. I actually bought 2 of them. I ate one at work and I saved one because whenever I'm making jollof rice, I love to eat it with this kind of salad, So I ate one at work and I left one for this special occasion. My people, this food is about to go down. Come and join me. There's something about eating jollof rice with salad. I don't know if it's just me, but it goes so well together. Sorry, excuse me. So my people, this is it though. I'm finished for today. It has been a wonderful evening making this my jollof rice, eating my jollof rice. Now all I'm gonna do now is shower my kids, relax, and enjoy the evening. Enjoy the evening. Tomorrow is another day. Get up 6 o'clock, start getting ready for work, start getting the kids ready for school. So thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on my next one. And press that notification bell. Yeah, press. Whenever I upload a video, it will give you push, and you will know it. I still have a little bit of my salad. I still have a little bit of my jollof. But you know what? I find it that I don't eat a lot of rice. A little bit of rice, I'm filled up. I don't eat like too many plates of rice. So yeah, but yes, it was tasty, and I will see you on my next one.